Hello, good morning. In today's video, we are going to read a chapter 1 of civics on equality. So, this is of class 7th NCERT. So, let's start. So, India is a democracy. In the class 6 book, we looked at the key elements of democratic government. This include people participation, the resolution of conflict, and quality and justice. Quality is a key feature of democracy and influences equality is a key feature of democracy and influences all aspects of its functioning. In this chapter, you will read more about equality, what it is, why it is why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. So, in the line, there are many people are there. So first is Manjeet, a teacher; Teja Singh, a trader; Girish Rao, student; Kanta Devi, domestic worker; Sujata Kumari, domestic worker. Kanta Devi and Sujata both are domestic workers. And then Abdul Rahman, artisan; Shabnam Banu, housewife; Gracie Lalang, consultant; Isaac Lalang, government officer. These both are married. Rukhsana Mirza, media person; Yogaraj, unemployed. Unemployed means that उसको कुछ काम नहीं है, इसलिए वो वोट देने आ गया. So Ashok Jain, इंटरलिस्ट इतने पीछे खड़े हैं, means that all persons are equal. If the Kanta Devi and Sujata, who were domestic workers, they are standing with interlist teacher, consultant, government officer. They are standing with them, so they are feeling the equality. So they are happy. So in this story of Kanta, we will read more about, and you should understand by the story only. So let's start. On election day, Kanta and a friend Sujata are waiting to cast their votes. Isn't good, Suja? Suja is her nickname of Sujata. Kanta speaks that isn't good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country. Even Jain Sahib is standing in the line with us. So Sujata says yes. Sujata says, go on, Kanta, it's your turn now. So he speaks in brain that I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Then afterwards, we'll see you later, Kanta. Jain Sahib says that we'll see you later, Kanta. So he says also, yes, Namaste Sahib. So when they were walking, Sujata and Kanta speaks to Shuja that Gudia has been running fever and I have to take her to hospital, but I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first and ask for some advance. So then she goes at home and says that here, have some of these, you will feel better, and when I'll get back in the evening, we'll go to the hospital. Okay, Kanta speaks to his daughter. So then when he goes out, he says that it's no wonder that Gudia falls ill. Often the basti is never clean. He wonders that he don't have to wonder that why Gudia fall ill, because the basti is never cleaned. Then after, when he goes to Jain Sahib's house, he tells that make sure to do the Jain madam tells him to tell Kanta to make sure to do the corners properly. And then he says that here's your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. So she says no, madam. So that evening, just few more minutes, he speaks to his beti Santwana. He gives Santwana a Hindi word. So मनी मन सोचती है कि जैन मैडम एंड Jain Sahib may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. So thank you. In next video we will start with the next topic, that is equal right to vote. Thank you.